Greetings, fellow travelers. Today, we're diving into the world of budget-friendly getaways with a look at the Blue Bay Club Puerto Vallarta. Nestled in the heart of Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, this all-inclusive resort promises a wallet-friendly escape with a dash of Mexican charm. So, grab your virtual sunglasses, and let's explore what this hot spot has to offer. Let's kick things off with the accommodations at Blue Bay Club Puerto Vallarta. Now folks, I'll be honest, the details on the rooms are about as scarce as snowflakes in the Mexican sun. But fear not. We can paint a picture based on what we do know. The hotel offers air-conditioned rooms, which, let's face it, is a godsend in the tropical heat of Puerto Vallarta. While we don't have specifics on room types or sizes, it's safe to assume they've got your basic hotel room essentials covered. Think comfortable beds, a place to stash your sombrero, and hopefully a window to let in that balmy Mexican breeze. Now, don't expect palatial suites or rooms with ocean views that stretch to the horizon. This is a budget-friendly joint, after all. But hey, if you're like me, you're not planning on spending much time in your room anyway when there's a whole city to explore. Speaking of exploration, let's talk grub. Unfortunately, the details on dining options at Blue Bay Club Puerto Vallarta are as elusive as a hidden pirate treasure. But don't let that dampen your spirits. Remember, you're in Puerto Vallarta, a culinary paradise. While we can't dish out specifics on the hotel's restaurants or bars, imagine the possibilities. Picture yourself sipping on a zesty margarita by the pool, if there is one, more on that later, or sampling some authentic Mexican tacos. And hey, even if the hotel's dining options turn out to be limited, you're just a stone's throw away from the vibrant food scene of Puerto Vallarta. From street food vendors serving up mouth-watering elotes to upscale restaurants offering gourmet seafood, your taste buds are in for a treat. Just follow your nose and the sound of sizzling grills. You can't go wrong. Now let's dive into the pool situation, or should I say, the pool confusion? Folks, we've got ourselves a real mystery here. Some sources say there's a pool, others say there isn't. It's like trying to spot the Loch Ness Monster. You're never quite sure what you're going to get. But let's look on the bright side. If there is a pool, fantastic. Imagine lounging by the water, soaking up the Mexican sun, and perfecting your doggy paddle. And if there isn't? Well, you're in Puerto Vallarta, my friends. The beach is never far away. While the Blue Bay Club doesn't appear to be directly on the beach, you're in prime position to explore some of the area's most beautiful stretches of sand. Los Muertos Beach, with its iconic pier, is a must-visit. Or head to Playa Conchas Chinas, often called the Beach of Little Shells, due to its unique, shell-covered shore. So whether you're a pool person or a beach bum, you'll find a way to make a splash. When it comes to activities and entertainment, the Blue Bay Club Puerto Vallarta keeps things pretty low-key. But don't let that fool you into thinking your days will be dull. Remember, you're in one of Mexico's most vibrant coastal cities. While the hotel might not offer a jam-packed schedule of events, the city certainly does. Take a stroll down the famous Malecon Boardwalk, where you'll find street performers, artists, and enough people watching to keep you entertained for hours. For the culture vultures among us, the Vallarta Art Walk is a must-do. Every Wednesday evening from October to May, the city's art galleries open their doors for a night of art, wine, and mingling. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not try your hand at parasailing or take a sunset cruise? The possibilities are endless. Now, let's talk about relaxation. While we don't have specific details about spa facilities at the Blue Bay Club, that doesn't mean you can't indulge in some pampering during your stay. Puerto Vallarta is home to numerous day spas where you can treat yourself to a massage, facial, or other rejuvenating treatments. Imagine unwinding with a beachside massage, the sound of waves lulling you into a state of bliss. Or perhaps you prefer a more active form of relaxation. Take a yoga class on the beach as the sun rises over the Bay of Banderas. And let's not forget the ultimate form of relaxation, simply lounging on the beach with a good book and the warm Mexican sun on your skin. Who needs a fancy spa when you've got that? For those traveling with little ones, the Blue Bay Club Puerto Vallarta might not be the most kid-centric resort out there. We don't have information about specific kids clubs or activities, But that doesn't mean your kiddos won't have a blast. Puerto Vallarta itself is a playground for children and adults alike. Take them to the Vallarta Zoo, where they can feed and interact with animals. Or how about a pirate-themed cruise on the Marigoland Galleon? Your little buccaneers will love searching for treasure and watching the pirate show. And of course, there's always the beach, the perfect place for sandcastle building competitions and splashing in the waves. So while the hotel might not have a dedicated kids club, the city of Puerto Vallarta more than makes up for it. Let's take a stroll outside the hotel and explore the nearby attractions. Buckle up, folks, because Puerto Vallarta is a treasure trove of sights and experiences. Just a hop, skip, and a jump away from the Blue Bay Club, you'll find the charming Olas Altas area. This neighborhood is the heart of Puerto Vallarta's Zona Romantica, filled with cobblestone streets, colorful buildings, and enough charm to make you want to pack up and move here permanently. Take a leisurely walk down to Los Muertos Pier, an architectural marvel that lights up at night like a beacon of fun. It's the perfect spot for a romantic evening stroll or to watch the sunset paint the sky in hues of orange and pink. Art lovers, rejoice! The Galleria Dante is just around the corner, showcasing an impressive collection of contemporary Mexican art. And if you time your visit right, you might catch the Vallarta Art Walk, a weekly event where galleries open their doors for an evening of art, wine, and mingling with local artists. For those interested in indigenous culture, the Peyote People Gallery offers a fascinating glimpse into the art and traditions of the Huacal people. Nature enthusiasts won't be disappointed either. A short trip will take you to the Vallarta Botanical Gardens, where you can explore 20 acres of lush tropical plants, orchids, and native Mexican flora. And for the adventure seekers, the nearby Sierra Madre Mountains offer opportunities for hiking, zip lining, and ATV tours. So whether you're a culture vulture, a nature lover, or an adrenaline junkie, Puerto Vallarta has got you covered. Now, let's step back and take a look at the big picture. The Blue Bay Club Puerto Vallarta is, in many ways, a mixed bag. On the one hand, it's a budget-friendly option in a prime location, perfect for travelers who want to experience Puerto Vallarta without breaking the bank. Its proximity to popular attractions is a definite plus, allowing you to immerse yourself in the vibrant culture and natural beauty of the area. On the other hand, the hotel seems to be light on amenities compared to some of its more upscale neighbors. The lack of detailed information about its facilities, from room types to dining options, might be a red flag for some travelers. And the conflicting information about the pool situation is, well, a bit of a head-scratcher. But here's the thing. If you're the type of traveler who sees your hotel as simply a place to rest your head between adventures, the Blue Bay Club could be just the ticket. It's all about managing expectations. If you're looking for a luxury resort experience with all the bells and whistles, this might not be the place for you. But if you're after an affordable base from which to explore the wonders of Puerto Vallarta, it could be a perfect fit. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.